Our Green Future series continues. Stay tuned.
Hi, I am 𝐞𝐬𝐬𝐻. I am energy engineer at Naval Group Pacific in Adelaide. I'm going to talk about LotuSim Energy Project, Lotus for learning from operational teaming with unmanned system.
Naval Group Pacific has created a simulation platform named LotuSim, which includes assets like cross-domain environment with wind, surface and underwater physics, and a realistic multi-agent system. The objectives are firstly to run different types of operation and maintenance scenarios with various drones and sensors. Secondly is to train AI to improve the use of drones. Our simulation platform can have a great impact on the Australian scientific community. Our project is built with Australia and French University. Our project is based in Adelaide and Melbourne. These two cities have huge objectives in renewable energy.
In conclusion, autonomous systems and robotics are expected to play a significant role in making energy transition more sustainable.